Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have two trading strategies for binary option. Don't forget to watch this video till the end so you can see my results and you can take part of it. So show this video to your friends and you can increase your chances. Let's get started. Okay, we're on a broker. I have analyzed and selected all currency pairs and analyze the movement of these currency pairs too. I came to the conclusion that first strategy movements quite impulsive, and the best selection indicators for first strategy are gonna be alligator, fractal with default settings, and CCI oscillator with a period of 10 as usual. Let's start with the trade of 700. This is a half of my balance, and yep, let's select first currency pair. Okay, here we're gonna open two long positions. I thought about two positions and we're gonna do this. We're touching the previous price global minimum at this point. I still think that now 100% rollback of our dynamics should occur, despite the fact that all the sliding of our alligator they're directed downwards, and this indicates a sign of a strong downward dynamics. But nevertheless, I'm guided here by CCI oscillator, and we will wait for it to leave the oversold area, and let's look at the result of the first two positions. We have 30 seconds. Great, our two position is in profits. That's great. Now without any problems. In fact, I'm already satisfied with the results. It's already a good profit. So what the hell is happening? Let's consolidate our results and open two positions in amount of 2000, of course. So let's proceed and select the next currency pair. All right, let's open two long positions. I follow the trend. We previously had upward dynamics, and after the trading news, as you can see, having looked at the currency pairs, almost everywhere the dynamics of movement go up, with the exception, in my opinion, of this currency pair. And therefore, I open a bullish trade here in the direction of the dynamics, which was earlier. I also see that there was a small pullback, and in general straightens our signal for opening a trade for long. Well, here you don't even have to think too much, because this is completely understandable. It's better not to pay attention to the alligator sliding lines here, since it's unstable after sudden impulsive movements. Here it's easier to look at the dynamics of the movement. It's leaving the oversold guys in our final profits. That's great. While I'm talking, excellent profit for today. Completely satisfied with the result. The movement is impulsive, so I won't take no more risks. I want to fix the profit, wait a bit, and then move to the second strategy for you. But you don't have to wait so much. I will skip it as fast as I can, right? And we will Alright, continue button, and we will move to the next strategy just right now. Alright guys, for the second strategy we have next indicators such as alligator and the fractal with absolutely default settings, and CCI oscillator with a period of 10. So let's start with a deal of 450. I don't know what's happening with me today. We will trade on 1 minute time frame. The main trading reference today is a trend, the formation of local highs and lows, of course, the area of the oversold and overbought area. We will closely monitor all these parameters, and we'll start from this indicator. Same indicators, I guess, as previous. So yeah, I want to just consolidate this strategy. It's really good, but the previous charts movements doesn't allow to show full power of this strategy. So we will consolidate it. Alright, short position in the direction of the actual trend. The trend now has downward character. Let's highlight the workspace for you. Alright, you're right. We have seen the formation of a new local maximum, then the dynamics of our movement go down. Here I observe the intersection of the alligator's moving lines, and the intersection also occurs from top to bottom. And this is an excellent indicator for opening short position. And according to the oscillator, I observe an exit from the overbought area and movement into the oversold area. In fact, let's look at the result of the first trade. We have 30 seconds. And the first position so easily closes with the profit. Great. Here entering the trade was not quite difficult, right? It was clear that in general the dynamics of the movement after the reading of these indicators should go down for us. Since previously we saw there was a strong upward impulse on this currency pair, and in general there were no difficulties in having closed the trade in plus. So let me change the amount. Let's put down $600 and let's continue trading. Alright, let's open here long position in the direction of the actual trend. So let's look at the dynamics of the movement earlier. Yep, everything is correct. There was previously an upward dynamics here, then the price correction was quite long, but in this position I focus primarily on the alligator and the trend. So first of all the moving lines crossed and heated up. A good sign for opening a long position. And we also had a rollback in dynamics, and after the rollback in dynamics again our price went up. Here I'm guided by these moments, and let's look at the result of this transaction too and wait till its closure. Alright, second position is on profit, guys. That's a great result. I'll change the amount, put down 831, I guess. Yeah. And let's continue trading. So yeah, there were nothing complicated here either. In general, everything was very clear, and I think you also understood everything. So let's not delay and continue our trading. Alright, let's open here to a long position. So here's the similar situation. We have had a price correction, but probably here is not entirely obvious, but still I'm guided by the alligator. Here again, our entry logic is absolutely the same as in the last position. After the price correction here, our dynamics then went up, right? Then in this area, this one, and the formation of a local maximum, then a rollback and the formation of a local minimum. Further dynamics go upward. All the moving lines of the alligator are also directed upward. This is a good sign of an upward dynamics, and I'm sure and I'm also observing a reversal of the moving line on the oscillator. So let's watch the results and we will profit right now. So easy, so easy. Okay guys, it was super easy, as I said, super without problems. I don't have any. So let's consolidate our results because we have good profit. Let's open position for $1,000. Okie dokie, long position goes in. There is also good entry into the trade here. So let's highlight the workspace for you. We have all the potential for moving further upward. Direction. Previously there was a correction in dynamics, the formation of a new local price minimum, and further dynamics went upward. Here, after the formation of two local maximums in this area and in this area, right? Now we had two price rollbacks, and after the formation of the new local minimum, further dynamics should go up. Our moving lines also turn around, and our alligator moving lines, they're also directed upward, which tells me about a good opening for a long. So let's look at the result of this position. So easy, we close this position in a profit without any problems. Excellent trading. I wish you liked this strategy because we have so many positions with that. Nice profit. Let's move to the conclusion. Let's fix the profit. I don't want to lose any money. We're not gonna open any positions more to gamble it. No, let's fix it. So and the continue button. Alright guys, I wish you like it. I'm waiting for your reviews and your results in the comments. Also, you can share it with me in Telegram channel. Link you may find below in the description. There are a lot of signals, strategies, news, and also copy trading, so you can work with me. Don't forget about likes, comments, subscriptions to my YouTube, and again, Telegram channel. Go there, find all the links, and I'm waiting for you. Have a good market, have a good profit. Bye bye.